Each ESFR Rapid Install Sprinkler box includes a product technical data sheet. Turn to page 6 to review the installation process thoroughly before you begin. Remove the ESFR Rapid Install Sprinkler from the box. The sprinkler is provided with a sealing gasket and a link protector pre-installed. Begin threading the ESFR Rapid Install Sprinkler into the fitting until the gasket makes initial contact. There should be no compression of the gasket at this point. From here, continue rotating the sprinkler for a half turn. This action will initiate compression of the gasket. Now, align the frame arms with the branch line. Once installation is complete, remove the link protector. You may observe a small gap between the fitting and the sprinkler. This is expected. An alignment tool is also available as an installation method if additional leverage is needed.